Hi there, I'm Anisha Go for Weightbusters Digital Diner. Today I'm going to give you an overview of the weight line widget. Now the weight line is one of the premium features that's a part of Digital Diner, and it's really just a fantastic part of our feature set. It's very easy, very customizable, and really just makes the experience overall for the customer very convenient and streamlined. Now, when you have a widget, that is something that you can embed onto your business page, onto your Facebook business page, and what it allows your guests to do is that it allows them to get in line remotely. So instead of having to go to your actual restaurant and go and wait at a crowded lobby, they can get in line remotely. They can get in line from while sitting at home. They can get in line from their mobile device. So it makes things very, very convenient. And nowadays things are all about convenience. So what I'm going to do is give you a little bit of a background here and show you exactly how you can completely customize this widget and make it your own, and show you some of the great features and show you how easy it is to use, and show you exactly what the customer experience would be. Now, one of the benefits, obviously, to having a weight line widget on a website or a Facebook business page, and having a weight line through Weightbusters Digital Diner, is the ability for an individual customer to be able to get in line and actually receive an SMS confirmation after they get in line, so that they can have a two-way communication with the restaurant, and they will have information as to where their place in line is. So they won't actually have to be tethered to your restaurant and be stuck having a buzzer. They won't be stuck in a crowded lobby, and your lobby won't be overwhelmed with people. So there's so many advantages to having this wait line and having a widget in place. So now, to really get into it here is the widget builder page. And as you can see here, it's completely customizable. Now, you can change different sizes, different fonts, different colors, everything to give it the look and feel of your actual restaurant. Now, just to show you the examples here, you can have different just different feels and different looks. So this is just what a kiosk view would look like. Okay, so this is a full screen full page view. So you can actually have a widget on your page, or for certain restaurants they prefer to actually have a full kiosk at the restaurant where an individual can come into their restaurant and get in line. So from this particular view, let me show you how it would look here. Now this right here would be an example of how it would look if someone were coming into your restaurant and seeing a kiosk view. Now, so this is what we have here. This is actually your back end, what you would see from the restaurant's perspective. Now, if you change it and you would just prefer to have a button, you can just have, see right here on the right hand side, you can just have this button where it has a current wait time. Instead of having that entire page overview, you can just have a button. So we're going to go ahead and just click that back. You can also change the look. Instead of having these large buttons, you can change it to a different mode. So you'll see here, if I change it to wizard mode, you'll see how this changed, and it actually is more streamlined and has everything all on one page. So for example, if I save this and I go back to this view, this is what you would see here from an actual page if you got in line on your web page, or if you were getting in line on your via your phone. So right here. So let me go back here. I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to actually take you through the process when we go on the phone here, but I just want to go finish going through this actual builder and showing you the different features here. So again, every single section can be changed. Everything, every piece of this form, colors, fonts, sizes. You can change a welcome message. You can have a custom offline message, a custom closed message if your restaurant is currently closed. You can have, for example, right here we have a restaurant using the wait line, and they currently do not have a wait line. So they say just come on in, so you do not need to currently get in line. So they have that current page here. So that's just a current, that's the wait line is turned off. So you can make any changes there that you would like. So let me actually show you what this would be if we were to put you in line here. Say we were to put you in line at the All-American Steakhouse. So I'm going to say 2 people. I'm going to put myself in line, and I'm going to show you the experience on my cell phone here. Seating preference, a lot of times you can have that as an option. I'm going to just say first available, and you can also put any notes. If you need a high chair, or you would like to sit by the bar, or you'd like a window seat. So I'm going to go ahead and get in line. Now you'll see an SMS has been sent, and you'll see right here on my phone, I've received an SMS. So I'm going to go down here. Welcome to the All-American Steakhouse. Tap the link to see your current place in the wait line. Now, once I click on that, I can see my current place in the wait line. And here it actually is. Let me see here. Okay, there we go. So my place in the wait line, now you'll see here, if we go back to the widget builder, the place in line button is checked. So it's hide my place in line button. So you'll see over here on this screen, my place in line is hidden. So a lot of times that's if you have a very busy restaurant and they don't want you to see that maybe you're 17th in line because they don't want you to cancel your place, they will do that. They will change that and say hide your place in line. So we're going to go ahead and unclick that. I'm going to save that. And so you see that once that I saved that and I unclicked that, you can now see my place in line. And I am now currently 8th in line. So also notice the different options that we have available here on right here. Once I got that SMS confirmation, I have the ability to cancel my place in line if I've decided I don't feel well, or I'm not going to have enough time, I don't want to go out to eat tonight. I have the option to jump the line because this particular restaurant has the jump the line option open. And then I also have the option to pre-order my meal. So these are all various options that a restaurant can give you that all tie in to the wait line and being a part of the wait line widget. So it's very, very easy to do. It's very streamlined, and you can see it all goes right to your mobile device. So you're not tethered to a buzzer. You don't have that extra cost as a restaurant, and it allows the customer to be able to have the freedom to come into a restaurant when they're ready, to be able to walk around, to shop around if they see that a restaurant is busy, that they're not stuck in a crowded lobby waiting for 30 minutes. It gives them so much freedom and so many options, and really makes the experience overall very enjoyable. So I hope that you have a good understanding of the Waitline widget. As always, we're here to help, and reach out to us at any time. Thanks so much.